morning.
Good morning.
Today we have the pleasure of hearing from Swarnendu Guha Roy, a dynamic real estate consultant and the driving force behind Lyons Property in Calcutta. Swarnendu is not just passionate about connecting people with the right properties but also thrives on building relationships, learning from others, and enriching his work culture. A football enthusiast, rap music lover, and investor, he dreams of becoming Kolkata's #1 real estate influencer. His mantra, a never give up attitude, and the belief that money fuels motivation. Let's give him a warm welcome and a big round of applause.
Good morning.
I am Swarnendu Guharai and my firm's name is Lyons Property. So I am a second generation real estate consultant by profession, and my father started this business and he has the experience of 2 decades in this market. And I started when I was 19 years old and now I proudly say मेरा 5 साल का experience हो गया है. Am I audible? मैं mic छोड़ के बोल सकता हूँ ना? Okay. So this is the most important slide of the PPT. क्या लिखा है? I want everyone to shout it loud.
Under construction.
क्या लिखा है?
Under construction.
So that is my forte. I sell under construction real estate properties in Kolkata. So let us understand what are the stages of under construction projects in Kolkata. So first of all, builder finalizes a land parcel. उसके बाद sanction निकलता है. उसके बाद the plan goes for approval and RERA is being applied. उसके बाद होता है piling and the foundation stage. उसके बाद the superstructure goes up. The internal partition stages. Then we have the builder goes through a flooring, window, doors and fixtures installation. Then outside में plaster and painting होता है and उसके बाद the development and the amenities grow होता है. And initially when the building is constructed, finally completion certificate मिलता है and we get the handover of the project. So, what do you mean by under construction property? Property that is being constructed over the period of 5 to 6 years and you get the delivery. And the advantages of buying an under construction property are as follow. Number 1, you get a flexible payment scheme. For example, if a property launches today, you get a handover in a period of 4 to 5 years, and that gives you a flexibility in the payment. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज का डेट में यू आर परचेजिंग अ 1 शेयर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, पर आपको एक साथ ही 1 करोड़ नहीं देना पड़ता है. ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ 5 years द बिल्डर divides the payment schedule as per the growth of construction. Number 2, you get the higher appreciation in terms of return. Number 3, the choice of better unit. As a Bengali person, आज का डेट में we all prefer a southeast unit for a better lifestyle. And as we have many non-Marwadis in the community, so they prefer Vastu apartment. So the most important thing that you get in that is the choice of better unit as per construction. Next we have, there is no burden of a salaried person. For example, you do not, for example, if you are taking a 1 share of property, आपको एक साथ ही एक पूरा नहीं देना पड़ता है पैसा. As growth होता है, development होता है, the builder charges your demand. Number 2, there is a customized option. Number 6, lower purchase price and the property is cheaper than ready to move in stage. So my main forte is selling under construction real estate properties in Kolkata. That means we mainly deal in the primary market. The types of product we deal in are 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, duplexes, penthouse, villas and row houses. So my price ranges start from 30 lakhs onwards and it goes up to 30 CR. Let me give you an example. मान लीजिए कि we sell श्री राम ग्रैंड सिटी टाउनशिप डेवलपमेंट इन हुगली रीजन, जहाँ पे आपको 2 BHK मिलता है इन 30 lakhs price segment. And recently you have seen a very much hype in the social media, the introduction of the Curve project by Alcove Realty and architect was Hafiz contractor. तो उधर पेंट हाउस भी मिलता है 30 करोड़ का. तो we sell those kind of project also. So these are the list of builders we are associated with, starting from Ambuja, PS Group, Srijan Group, Godrej Properties, Loharuka Group, Alcove Realty, These are approximately there are 42 names in the primary market जिसके साथ अपना काम होता है. So benefits of buying a property through us. Number one, that we are a real estate regulatory authority authorized. Means we are RERA approved channel partner. That means there is a real estate regulatory act that regulates all the people, all the real estate advisors in the market. First of all, secondly, we do not charge in a brokerage from the client, as in the primary market you are dealing with the developer directly. Number three, we negotiate higher in behalf of you. When you are purchasing a property, अपने negotiate कर लेते हैं so that my client gets a genuine and a discounted rate. Number three, statistical highlights. Market में इतना सारा project है, पर you get to understand with all the statistics that will tell you. Number five, we filter out the properties. For example, first we understand your requirement, your budget, your criteria, your location. We filter out multiple properties and help you to understand both the pros and cons of the filter out property, so that जब आप property book करते हो you are 100% sure of कि हाँ भाई मेरे को ये property खरीदना है. फिर we are associated with the private and the public sector banks. We help people to get the loans also. Initially we also help through the finances. कैसे आप plan कर सकते हो, कौन सा property में आप invest करते हो. Initially we आज का डेट में मैं प्रॉपर्टी बेच के चलना नहीं चाहूंगा. वी स्टे विद द कस्टमर टिल द हैंड ओवर. बीच में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आए, मान लीजिए कि कोई बिल्डर से टच मिस हो गया या आपको एक्स्ट्रा कुछ चाहिए इन द प्रॉपर्टी, वी डील एवरीथिंग एंड सॉर्ट आउट एवरीथिंग. हाउ डज इन्वेस्टर्स मेक मनी इन रियल एस्टेट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इज अ फेज नोन एज सॉफ्ट लॉन्च फेज इन द मार्केट. जब कोई प्रॉपर्टी लॉन्च होता है उसके पहले वाला स्टेज को सॉफ्ट लॉन्च कहा जाता है. एंड इनिशियली इफ अ इन्वेस्टर बुक्स इन दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, द इन्वेस्टर एक्सपेक्ट मैक्सिमम रिटर्न आउट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज अपने को प्राइस इन्फ्लेट नहीं करना पड़ता. इट इज द बिल्डर हिमसेल्फ जो प्राइस इन्फ्लेट कर देते हैं अपने तरफ से. एंड एग्जिट एट द टाइम ऑफ हैंडओवर. जब सीसी मिल जाता है, इट्स द परफेक्ट टाइम ऑफ अ इन्वेस्टर टू एग्जिट फ्रॉम द प्रॉपर्टी. व्हेन शुड अ एंड यूजर buy a property? Initially जब आप property planning start करते हो, it is advisable to finalize a property within a month, because real estate in Kolkata is booming huge, and आपको initially वो कर देना चाहिए so that you get a price benefit and आप appreciation ज़्यादा expect कर सकते हो. And it is always advisable as a consultant that you should invest in a under construction property for multiple advantages that you can expect from the market, जहाँ पे you get to choose the best unit and you get a flexibility of payment. The checklist before buying a property: the property must be RERA approved, as it denotes the authentication in the market कि हाँ भाई मेरे को ये जो प्रॉपर्टी में खरीद रहा हूँ उसका अगर हैंड ओवर भी लेट हो तो बिल्डर एज पर द गाइडलाइंस बिल्डर अपने को इंटरेस्ट पे करेगा. दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड बेनिफिशियल. सेकेंडली एसबीआई से अप्रूव होना चाहिए. आज का डेट में एसबीआई जो बैंक है वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एंड सबसे ज्यादा स्क्रूटिनी करता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द पेपर चेकिंग. तो एसबीआई से अप्रूव होने से वी एज अ एंड यूजर और इन्वेस्टर रिलैक्स रहते हैं कि भाई ठीक है, द प्रॉपर्टी इज गुड इनफ. The investors or the end users should buy in a gated society complex. The investor में क्या होता है कि when you are buying a property in a complex, आपका एडवांटेज ये रहता है कि the builder himself appreciates the price. तो आपको टेंशन नहीं होता है कि मेरा appreciation होगा कि नहीं. And initially as a end user, the quality of life expands. Like for example, आपका बच्चे लोग lives in a secured environment. In complex there are actually 3 layers of security. Main gate, 24/7 security surveillance, and उसके बाद आपका सोसाइटी के अंदर भी there are guards that helps to maintain a secure environment. And उसके बाद the family we live in a gated society. आज कोविड के टाइम अपने सभी घर में लॉक थे, but in complexes we can roam around the society and amenities भी यूज कर सकते थे. So it is always better to invest in a gated society. And before investing in a property, we should always understand the quality and the delivery track record of the builder, so that अपने genuinity भी पता चले and it is clear enough to invest. So this is a case study that tells us some crazy returns in Kolkata market. So Moreland Rise is a residential project of 15 acres of land parcel in Rajarat area. अपने लॉन्च किया था 2022 में and the launching price of a 2 BHK was 32 lakhs. आज का डेट में the 2 BHK property is ranging at 65 lakhs. That is 2x return in 4 years, 100% good. Number 2 is Moreland F Residency. It's a residential project by Moreland Group जो कि एसोसिएट किया फैशन टीवी के साथ and they had building a great complex in the Rajarat area. तो लॉन्च किया था अब दिसंबर 2024 में 1 दिसंबर. उस टाइम पे 3 BHK was ranging at 92 lakhs and currently the 3 BHK is priced at 1.26 CR. So basically there is a 30% growth in this particular project. अभी तो हैंडओवर भी 5 साल बाकी है. एक साल में 30% रिटर्न आ गया. Next we have One Rajarat. This is a project that was launched in 2017 and initially the price of a per square feet in that particular project was 4,000 at that point of time. अपना जो क्लब हाउस भी है was designed by Augustus Singhal in that particular project. तो आज का डेट में the prices is approximately 12,000 rupees per square feet. On that note, we can expect a 200% return in 8 years. These are the crazy returns that are there in this market. Now, the opportunity does not go away. There are multiple opportunity where expansion is about to happen. Like there is a exponential future growth in this particular two project. Project का नाम जानने के लिए I would request everyone to do a one-to-one with me because this is a project in Newtown Action Area 3 जहाँ पे Infosys is operational and उधर City Center 3 बनने वाला है. तो जैसे सिटी सेंटर जहाँ पे बनता है द एरिया का प्राइस इन्फ्लेट ऐसे ही होता है and there is a 25 acres of land parcel that is acquired by Ambuja Group. They are doing the City Center 3. So this particular project has a very bright future, doubling your profits in next 5 to 6 years. And secondly, this is a very important project in South Kolkata. आज अपने जानते हैं कि Urbana is a very renowned project in Kolkata and जो hype बनता है Urbana, it is that कि भाई वैसे तो property अच्छा है, but the hype that happens in Urbana is that कि भाई the celebrities of Kolkata live mostly in that property. But आने वाला lifetime में this would be a project in South Kolkata, the next celebrity hotspot of the region. There are multiple fascinating payment schedule like 20% average, 80% at a time of handover. We also have a EMI of 25,999 in this particular property also. That also helps you to appreciate your returns.
Where is this property?
South Kolkata, Bielsha Road.
Can you explain a little 2080 plan?
2080 plan is like 20% down payment now, 80% at time of handover.
मतलब I no need to pay.
No need to pay in the there are specific units in that particular project that goes with the 2080 plan.
So it's required home finance or it will
It
finance by
depends
the builder
on,
only?
No, it depends on you as an end user or an investor कि आप कैसे करना चाहते हो. It depends on your potential of payment. These are the ask and gives. My guests would be MSP Steel and Power, scientists from Dr. Reddy, onboarding operations, Misho, owner of Aqua Diamond Water, Haldia Petrochemicals and Sham Metallics and Energy. My ask are pilots, IT officials, Jewelry Association of Badabazar, Electrical Association of Badabazar, Indian Railways and Bank Manager. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sandeep, thank you. I must say, I really like your confidence today. Without mic and continuous 10 minutes, it gives me.
कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप लोग बता सकते हो.
Yes. Q&A we have 2 minutes, we can do Q&A.
I know many person, they are interested in City Center 3.
What?
And I will connect to Jewelry Association of Bada Bazaar. My brother is in Bullion Gems and Jewelry joint treasurer. So I will connect to them.
Thank you, sir.
Any question, anyone ask?
How do you perceive the crowd per se between people who want to purchase the flat versus they want to rent it out? I would rather rent a lakh rupees of a place rather than buying, investing 2 crores in it. What's your take on that?
So basically क्या होता है कि अपना investing in real estate helps you a good appreciation in future. Our rental ROI अगर देखता है in real estate residential in Kolkata is approximately 2.5 to 3% yearly. So it is always advisable as an investor कि you are investing that amount of money in real estate to doubling your return, क्योंकि rental advice से आपको return अच्छा नहीं आएगा in at the कोलकाता market.
No, I think we wanted to ask
different question.
मैं रेंट पे करूँ कि खरीदूँ?
It is always advisable कि you purchase a property.
Why?
वही मैं बताया ना, you are getting a payment plan of 5 years, उसके बाद you are getting the appreciation, and if you are wishing to rent it out, you can of course rent it out, पर उसका return कोलकाता market के लिए थोड़ा कम है.
So lately, the finance influencer, they've been, persuading people of not buying the property. They say the cost of owning is much higher than the cost of renting. So I can enjoy the same property at a much lower rent, and then जितना मेरा EMI बनेगा, उतना रुपया का I can do mutual fund SIP. Don't you think my as it is I'm gonna appreciate the मेरा asset ऐसे भी appreciate होगा?
Appreciate तो होगा, जरूर होगा, but there is a very interesting and one of the renowned builders of India, Mr. Hiranandani, he also told कि you should always first एक time पे you should always buy a property one, and then उसके बाद you can plan out your extra money for renting a property. तो initially in lifetime अपने को एक property रहना चाहिए. That is my take of it. Thank you everyone.